What up?
What's going on, bro?
You're a bitch.
What are you doing, man?
I spilled a little water.
You spilled a little water. What do you mean you spilled?
I'm mopping the floor.
It looks like you spilled a lot of water.
No, I'm just cleaning because we had a party last night and it was dirty.
My good friend Jack Korte, decided to put dish soap in the dishwasher and flooded our kitchen.
I didn't know such
He flooded. Look at our ground. He flooded.
It was dirty because we had a party.
He flooded our
And
kitchen.
people wore their shoes in our kitchen. So I had to mop it up at 4 a.m. Right now. But it's going
Nice.
Yeah.
It's 3:30 a.m.
Same thing. That's nice. Popcorn. Probably your popcorn.
Probably.
Your mouth.
Probably.
See? No, I'm not. Just cleaning up for
Oh,
society.